Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off security delay in progress on iPhone. So guys, if you want to turn off security delay in progress on your iPhone in iOS 27, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to Face ID and passcode. Enter the passcode for one time, and after this you have to simply scroll it below, and here you can see stolen device protection option. So guys, simply tap on this, and from this tool you can easily turn off security delay in progress or stolen device protection easily. So guys, here you can see this. If you turn it on, then the security delay will be enabled, and if you turn it off, then the security delay will be disabled. So guys, from here you can easily turn on stolen device protection or security delay on your Apple device, or you can turn it on or turn it off very easily. So guys, in this way you can also turn on or turn off security delay progress or the stolen device protection from here. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.